Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is an unboxing and review of an AIORIA case that I purchased on AliExpress for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So this is the new flagship smartphone from Google, and we are now in the process of doing our long-term review, and whilst we do it, we want to make sure our smartphone is properly protected. So what I'm going to do is take the styrofoam holder out of the device, and this is the case. It's relatively rigid plastic on the inside and softer silicone type plastic on the edges, which is what I was looking for. And on the back, it's a textured rubbery back, so it gives it a bit of protection. And as you can see, there's a cutout for the Google Pixel 6 Pro's large back camera module. Right then, so what I'm going to do is slip the case over the phone, going buttons first, and that's it in place. So what is this like? Let's have a look. So the camera module is well protected. It has a slight raise here, and the corners of it are particularly well protected here. In terms of cutouts at the top, there's one for a microphone here, and at the bottom there's the perfect cutout for the speakers and the USB Type-C port. No cutouts on the left, and on the right we have a lanyard loop, couple of holes, so if you want to set up your phone to be worn on a lanyard, you can do so. Let's check out the power button. It works as expected. There's, in this case, no stickiness to it, which is good. And let's try volume. Volume up, works as expected. Volume down, as expected. No stickiness there, so pretty decent case in my view. Now, let's look at the covering on the edges. Obviously, the Google Pixel 6 Pro is a smartphone that has a curved screen on the left and the right edges. That means that some cases, such as this one, won't offer great protection if you were to put your smartphone screen down on any surface. Obviously, we don't recommend doing that even if you have a screen protector on, but if you were to do that, I would say definitely get a screen protector if you're using this AIORIA case, because that essentially puts the screen at risk. Now, there's the appropriate cutout for the speaker at the top of the smartphone, and at the bottom it doesn't quite cover all that blingy gold on my sort of sunny Google Pixel 6 Pro, but I'd say overall decent case. It feels good to hold in the hand, and it doesn't add much bulk to it. And in terms of colour, I quite like this sort of darkish green. So overall, I'd say this is a decent case, especially at the price I purchased it at on AliExpress. I purchased this way back at the beginning of September on AliExpress and received it a couple of weeks later. I had to wait almost a month and a bit for the smartphone to arrive, but it's been sitting in a box waiting to be unboxed and reviewed and put on the Pixel 6 Pro. This is definitely, for £3, a great case if you can wait those 2 weeks for it to be delivered. So I'm going to wrap up this quick unboxing and review of the AIORIA case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Thanks for watching if you made it this far into the video. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. That way you'll be notified when we release new videos about consumer electronics, gadgets, mobile technology, anything we believe makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.